Kelvin King here, Chief Executive Officer of Alpha Drones USA. I wanted to be the very first face that you're going to see on this portal, the Alpha Drones USA Hiring Program portal. Welcome to the hiring program, and we are excited to have you. You earned it. You successfully completed our rigorous Part 107 training program. You received your FAA certificate, and you now have authorization to operate drones commercially in the marketplace throughout the United States of America. You also went through the qualification phase of our training program, where you learned to operate industrial drones in such a way that no one else in the industry has been introduced to technology like you have. Therefore, we believe because of the unique certification and qualification functions of our training program, you are a cut above and you are in a unique position to prosper and to thrive in our industry. Our internship program, you were given the opportunity to go out into the marketplace and operate these industrial drones as an RPIC, and you also were introduced to the crew environment as a visual observer. You understand intimately what it takes for an operation to be successful in the marketplace today and going into the next decade with evolving new technologies coming to the marketplace. So I'm very proud of you. Thank you for persevering through a rigorous training program. We know it's not easy. We know the internship program is not easy. And as you can see with an internship program, when you're on site at job sites, there are all kinds of challenges that you just can't plan for. That will happen, and it takes a coordinated effort from crew members to work together to work through and mitigate those challenges. So you have on your resume unique experiences that is not available anywhere else. The next step is to help you prepare for employment, either with Alpha Drones USA, we are one of the participating employers, as well as several other participating employers who have looked at our profile, our portfolio of our training program and said, hey, we really like Alpha Drones graduates because they have unique experiences that are not available from colleges, universities, other vocational programs. Because quite frankly, name another program where you're going to be flying a drone that's above 55 pounds as an introductory flight lesson. It's just not something that we see very often in the marketplace. But you, the graduate of Alpha Drones, you have that unique experience. Our hiring program has a compilation of participating hiring employers that are looking to talk with you. They have expressed a need for you, rather if it's seasonal employment, part-time employment, full-time employment, or contractual employment. These employers are coming to see you. They're coming to give you the information about their hiring needs. So we invite you to the upcoming job conferences that we have at Alpha Drones USA, and this hiring program, this process is going to prepare you for these upcoming events with employers. Expect employers to talk to you about what they need in terms of hiring, in terms of compensation, in terms of benefits, in terms of scope of work. And then as you hear from these participating employers, you then will help me understand what your interests are. Kelvin, I've listened to maybe 6 employers that I'm interested in. I would like to advance to the next phase of our hiring program, and I would like the opportunity to meet with these employers and have an interview with them. Once that decision is made, we will advocate on your behalf to set you up to meet with these employers privately, whether in a virtual environment or in an in-person environment, so that you can secure the job. The goal that determines the success of the hiring program is you receiving a job offer from at least one employer. Once that is established, we believe the hiring program completed its objective of preparing you for the workforce. So this hiring program offers a multitude of resources. What we're going to do moving forward is have you complete a series of modules that we believe will prepare you for the upcoming presentations from participating employers. Our modules will prepare you to prepare for 3 crucial integrations in the program. Number 1, the application. I want you to understand that the most important component to securing a job is ensuring that your job application is properly filled out. So we are offering a workshop that will prepare your applications properly and professionally for the employers of your choosing in our program. The second integration is your resume. Your resume is a quick walkthrough of your background. It's your story basically put down into one piece of paper. Alpha Drones USA has a very specific template for what we expect your resume to look like. So these modules will prepare you and make sure that your resume is in code with what we expect to hand over to employers. And then the final component, the final integration to our process is the actual interview. We want to make sure that you are ready for interview opportunities with these participating employers. So we have a series of modules that we want you to complete, and these modules will get you ready for the interview. Finally, who's going to actually spend time with you and get you ready for these opportunities? Alpha Drones USA has comprised a team of career coach mentors. Career coach mentors at Alpha Drones are actual career professionals who are successful in the marketplace, understands aviation, understands the unmanned aircraft environment. These are professionals that will prepare you through a series of workshops, mock interviews to actually thrive and prosper at your upcoming interview. The ultimate goal, again, for our hiring program is to ensure that you receive a job offer from at least one of our participating employers. We'll be very, very proud to help you get to this next milestone in your career, and we look forward to working with you. Welcome aboard.